Hi, it's Colleen and Maury. We sneaked into our second house here at the home show. This one that I'm standing in, it's the Magnum 76. It's one of our top sellers for a long time. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, and it's a little over 2,500 square feet. But you can see here, it's so unique. We call this the Master Chef Kitchen. It actually has two bars here. One is a sit bar and one is a chef's bar. And it's amazing. This has got the waterfall edging. It's so clean, so sexy, girls. Now again, this is a larger home. This is one of our 2,500 square feet home, and it's got amazing things. It's got the dove gray cabinets that are just beautiful. It's got the farm sink, and it's got the pendant lighting. Everything in this house is amazing. If you like this kitchen, you've got to see the rest of this house. Maury and I are going to duck out of here because we got a couple more houses before security comes and finds out we're here.